futures trader here. What we are looking here is a ES 2000 tick chart. So after the market opened, we've seen that the price did a sideways in a choppy area here. And after this chop finished, the price went above the VWAP and the moving averages. And this is the VWAP level here and moving averages here. And after that, the price retests the moving average level here, also this pivot level here. And we have a nice bounce here to another leg of that move. And this move was so strong, I was trying to enter it, but never price went back to test and it was too fast. And after this pivot level here on the top, that we got a rejection, and now the price is retesting this moving average level here. So usually when I see the 1, 2, 3 move, then price tries to retest this high level area and sometimes even break and can do another move. Or sometimes if we see a price rejection, then can retest this level here. And if we see a failure or a strong signal bar, then I try to enter it for a retest low area, which is we have this pivot level, also the VWAP level area here for a test. So these are the plans so far with this price action. So we tested this level here. Now price is testing this moving average here, and buyers are trying to buy from here. We see some wicks here and try to test that high level. And the sellers, of course, they are trying to push the price below this moving average. And also we have this trend line here that they are trying to go through this trend line. Also we have this 50 SMA right underneath that trend line. So I'm looking at the price action, what the buyers are going to do right around this level here. And if I see any signs that buyers are showing up here, then I may join for a long position here. Okay, now they are testing, sellers are pushing, they didn't go through, and I see some buyers are stepping in. Okay, I see some more buyers are coming in. Every time the price is coming down, we see that the buyers are keep buying it. So I'm gonna try a long position here with a very tight stop loss right underneath this trend line. And my expectation is testing this high level area again. Okay, so I have one contract here as a long position, and this bar closed as a wick right here, showing that there are some buyers here trying to buy it from this level. And this stop is just right there, so I can move around. This is not my actual stop loss area here. I am just trying to kill this if I see they go through this trend line and close below it. Okay, so far the buyers are still trying to push up and sellers are still showing up right around here. There's a fight between. Okay, there is a nice push on the buying side. The buyers are stepping in here with that bar. Okay, that bar is almost closed. Okay, now it's a nice strong bar there. That is what I like to see. That means that there are buyers here, there are more buyers are coming in. And I'm trying to exit probably below all that high, because I'm not sure if this is gonna go all the way to the top or it may just make a new lower high here and reverse from there. Okay, so I lower it a little bit. So they retest that moving average again, and I see that some buyers are still showing up here if this bar is gonna close like that. Okay, so some more buyers here. Okay, it's a nice push there. I really just wanted to exit there before reverse on me, so I exited that. Now I'm gonna look at this high level here, what the price is gonna do. If I see a strong price action going through this level, then I may not do anything on that as far as short position. But if I see a rejection here, then I will wait at this trend line level here, what the price is gonna do. So far the price got rejected at this pivot level here, and now I am looking at what the price is going to do at this trend line here. If I see a strong signal bar going through this, then I may join for a short position here to test this level here or this pivot level below with the VWAP right underneath. And we also have this moving average line here. Okay, so sellers are trying. Okay, that's a nice push for a seller, and now they are testing that moving average here right now. Okay, now they are trying to break that trend line with the moving average. I want to see a strong bar. Okay, I see some more buyers coming in. That is not a good sign for a good signal bar. Usually you want to see the momentum with that signal bar. Things happens really fast when you see a nice good signal bar. Okay, now that bar closed, but it is like halfway is weak, and it is not a very strong bar crossing through that trend line. So that's not a good enough for me to enter as a signal bar. And more sellers, they are trying to push it down. Okay, so I'm kind of readjusting my trend line to the last bar that's trying to break through. Okay, so that closed another bar that not too strong for either side. I'm still waiting a strong bar that is gonna break through this trend line. And it's always better to wait that bar. You can enter it when it is breaking the trend line, but you will take more risk if you do that. Yes, you can enter early, but if you wait that bar to close, then you can understand better as far as what the price action is telling you. Okay, so when I see that bar like that, there are no wicks either bottom or top. That is a strong selling bar. That is a very good strong signal bar for me. So I entered one position there as soon as that bar closed. I could have waited maybe a pullback, but sometimes with that nice strong bars like that, you may never have that pullback. And I am trying to exit again. If I see a bar close above this signal bar, above the moving average, above the trend line here, then I will kill this trade. And this is again my order just sitting there for me to just adjust if I have to. So far we have another second selling bar nicely. So this is a pivot level here, mid pivot level, and we have a strong pivot level right underneath, right above that VWAP level here. And this dotted green line is 200 exponential moving average. So price may bounce from here, but I'm gonna try to see that if the price is going to test this area here. Okay, now it is testing 200. There are some buyers showed up, but not too much. Continue selling. Okay, that's a nice push there. And usually if you have a VWAP below there, that is usually a magnet for a price, and it just took my order there. And test that VWAP, also the pivot level here. And it went through that pivot level and the VWAP. And retest that moving average. And did a W, and then price went back up here where everything is started.